Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 5 amazing health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful spice known for its numerous health benefits, many of which are attributed to its active compound, curcumin. From reducing inflammation and fighting free radicals to supporting heart health and brain function, turmeric can be a valuable addition to your diet. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1, anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is widely recognized for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the body by blocking certain molecules that trigger inflammation. This makes turmeric especially beneficial for individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and inflammatory bowel disease. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can naturally alleviate discomfort, reduce swelling, and support overall joint and tissue health. Number 2, rich in antioxidants. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, particularly curcumin, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and contributing to aging and chronic diseases. The antioxidants in turmeric help protect the body from this damage, support the immune system, and reduce the risk of conditions like heart disease and cancer. By adding turmeric to your diet, you can harness the power of these antioxidants to promote overall health and well-being while slowing down the aging process. Number 3, improves brain function. Turmeric has been shown to improve brain function, largely due to curcumin's ability to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and maintenance of brain cells. Higher BDNF levels are linked to improved memory, focus, and cognitive performance. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the brain from age-related diseases, like Alzheimer's, reducing the buildup of harmful plaques and improving overall brain health. Number 4, supports heart health. Turmeric supports heart health by promoting healthy blood circulation and reducing inflammation in the blood vessels, which can help lower the risk of heart disease. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to improve cholesterol levels by reducing bad LDL cholesterol and increasing good HDL cholesterol, helping to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Additionally, turmeric's antioxidant properties protect the heart by neutralizing free radicals that can cause oxidative stress, further contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Number 5, boosts immune system. Turmeric is known for its immune-boosting properties thanks to the powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects of curcumin. It helps strengthen the immune system by fighting off harmful microorganisms, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall immune function. Regular consumption of turmeric can enhance the body's ability to ward off infections, reduce the severity of illnesses, and promote quicker recovery. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can enhance your health and protect against various ailments. Embrace its powerful benefits for a stronger, healthier body and mind. So that's it for today. Hope you learned some new stuff. If you found it interesting, take a little time and show us some love. Also subscribe for more similar content and drop below a comment mentioning where you're watching from. Would love to hear that. Thank you and see you in the next